Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play YouTube in background on iPhone. So it is very easy. First of all, we need to open settings and scroll down and go to the general with a little gear icon. Here scroll down a little bit and go to picture in picture. And make sure this option is turned on. So basically this option is about playing videos in background. It is allowing apps to play videos in background. So now close the settings and go to the YouTube. Here, click on the settings button in the top right corner and go to the general here. And in some accounts here you have the option to also enable picture in picture in YouTube. If you don't have this option, leave as it is. Then go back and open any video on YouTube. So here it is. Then you can minimize it like that and you will be able to play this video in the background on YouTube. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.